What's the meaning of breezeway? Breezeway. Breezeway.
Breezeway. Breezeway. A breezeway is a type of passageway that connects two buildings or parts of a building. It is typically open on at least one side to allow for airflow and ventilation. Breezeways can be found in both residential and commercial settings, and are often used to create a covered outdoor space between two buildings. They can also serve as a functional space for activities such as storage or parking. Overall, breezeways provide a useful and aesthetically pleasing way to connect different parts of a property while also promoting airflow and natural light.